If you sell items on eBay, Etsy, or any other online platform, you need one of these convenient thermal label printing solutions. Today I'm excited to show you the new Bluetooth and USB thermal label printer from the GITFOS company. My PC building and tech reviewing business has me shipping complete PCs and other hardware and smaller items around the country with UPS, FEDEX, and USPS. Previously, I printed and taped on paper labels that I had to cut out manually and use a bunch of extra tape to try to cover them up, and it never quite looked professional. With this label printer, you can conveniently print professional-looking, water-resistant labels day or night from my PC, Mac, Android, or iOS smartphone in just a couple of taps. The standard 4-inch wide labels are crisp, readable, and meet all the requirements of today's major shipping companies. It supports both a fan fold style label or continuous feed rolls from almost any manufacturer. Setup of the GITFOS label printer was really easy. On your PC, you just plug it in, install the latest version of the driver from their website or the included USB key. Once set up, it acts like any other system printer, giving you the ability to print PDFs and other files from your favorite shipping applications. Are you someone that likes the convenience of shipping things on the go? Well, you can use the GITFOS with your smartphone or tablet running Android or iOS even easier. The downloadable printer app will let you design your own special purpose stickers and labels or print PDFs from your mobile shipping apps or photo stream directly without a PC. For home or office use, it's like having your own shipping label kiosk right on the desktop. The printer can print labels of any standard length and up to 4 inches wide or about 100 millimeters. If you're printing smaller labels for inventory or product tags, just slide the guides to accommodate your narrower paper. Unboxing the GITFOS, you can see it comes with a factory test printing sample. To get your printing right away, they've included a small starter stack of 100 by 150 millimeter blank labels, but you'll probably want to order some more. The compact printer unit itself, a USB key containing the software for offline install, an AC power adapter, and a standard USB cable. To load the included labels, hit the front button and open the top. Load the labels through and close the top of the printer. It will feed the label and then retract it so that it's ready for immediate use. The green light means that it's ready for a USB connection, the blue light means that it's working connected via Bluetooth, and a red light generally means you're out of label paper. My wife has even been impressed with the convenience of being able to print and stick on high quality labels for extra items that she's been selling on eBay and Facebook. With the time and extra materials saved by not having to fight with our finicky printer, this label printer is going to pay for itself very quickly. And since there are no ink tanks to ever run dry or run out of, this thermal printing solution saves you more while making professional looking labels quickly and easily. If you're interested in picking up one of these for yourself, I've included a link in the video description where you can get this printer and compatible printing supplies. This has been John the Net Guy, and this is the GITFOS Thermal Label Printing Solution.